As long as I can remember, Buicks tried to divest themselves of the fact that they were really, if not your father, maybe your grandfather's car manufacturer of the day. And only once did they really get it right in 1970. Well, the Buick GSX really epitomized what a muscle car should be. It was loud, it was a good looking car, it came in bright colors, actually only two colors. It came in Saturn yellow and Apollo white. And for $1,195, you got that ram air hood. You got the front and rear spoilers, you got the cool graphics down the side. They actually borrowed some parts from Pontiac. That hood tack that sits up top of the hood was a Pontiac piece. Came with bucket seats and of course the 455 engine. And for another $199, you could order the Stage 1, another 10 horsepower, but obviously Motor Trend thought it was more than 10 horsepower. They called it the fastest car they had tested to date, period. Pretty neat car. Let's take it for a ride. As far as suspension went, when you ordered the GSX, you also got heavier shocks, you got heavier springs, you got a sway bar package, and of course you got the standard 455 with 510 stump pulling pounds of torque. You could either order an automatic or the 4-speed, and only 118 people ordered the 4-speed with the Stage 1, which is kind of odd, but I guess on the drag strip, the automatic may have been faster most of the time. Well, it's quite obvious this car performs. Well, not only did it perform out on the road and on the track, it also performed on the show field. This particular car has had a ground-up restoration. It scored a gold at the Buick Nationals in '05. The car runs and drives and now looks as good as it should. Now, if you look at the numbers, 678 Buick GSXs built, 400 of which were Stage 1s, 118 of which were 4-speed cars. Pretty low numbers. If you compare it to a Boss 9 in '70, less built. If you compare it to a '69 Copo, less built. If you compare it to a '70 Hemi Cuda, there were less built. But all those cars are well over $200,000. A lot of them approaching $300,000. So when you take into account the quality of this restoration, the rarity, the fit and finish, and the fact that it was really Buick's only stab at what muscle cars should be, and they hit the nail right on the head, this car at somewhere between $150,000 and $200,000, when you compare it to the rest, is undervalued and will continue to be a good investment.